Hello everyone, my name is Brady, and today we're going to be unboxing these Beats Wireless Studio 2 noise canceling headphones. These are Apple genuine Reeboks and new, unused, pristine condition with a 1-year OWC full warranty. We're going to be opening the red ones today, but we also have the metallic sky ones here as well. All right, so let's get this box open and see what's on the inside. We got a second box on the inside here. Get rid of that shipping box. Protective plastic here. Put that out of the way. Now let's open up the main box. Get the lid out of the way. We got 2 cables in here. The audio cable in case you don't want to use your Bluetooth functionality, and the charging cable. Now we also have the headphones in here. In this nice microfiber bag. Get the box out of here first. Open this up. And look at that. Nice, beautiful red color on these. Nice and vibrant. We got the power button that also activates the noise canceling feature. Underneath the power button, we have the battery gauge. This has up to 12 hours of battery life. Got the charging port. And on the other side, we have the playback functionality. It's on the Beats button itself. And above that, we have audio up, audio down. All right, I got both of them sitting here. And again, these are in pristine condition, no marks on them whatsoever. Very, very beautiful looking, nice vibrant colors. The red one actually looks very nice with the gloss finish. Got the metallic sky one here. Again, Apple Reeboks, very, very nice looking. Great condition all around. All right, let's try these on here. Wow, those are very comfortable. The ear cups are nice and soft. Already it's blocking out a lot of noise, even though the noise canceling feature isn't on. Very comfortable for long commutes. Those are very nice, great condition. If you'd like to get yourself a pair of these beautiful headphones, you can go to macsales.com. Until next time, my name is Brady. Have a good day.